rating and explaining some of my favorite affordable setting sprays. Starting off with this PAC Micro Finish Makeup Fixer. Okay, this is one of the most gentle setting sprays out there. The spray is super fine. You can see that. It's a great setting spray for all skin types, especially sensitive and dry skin people because it's so lightweight and feels very hydrating on your skin, and it makes your makeup long lasting for 12 plus hours. Your makeup will not settle in those creases of your face. Transfer proof wise, it will not make your makeup fully transfer proof because I've checked, I've tried and tested it. Your makeup will transfer a little, but not much, honestly. It's a great setting spray. Definitely check this one out. I would give this one a solid 8 out of 10. Second one is my most favorite one. It's L'Oreal Paris Infallible 3-second Setting Mist. Okay, it's that hard makeup fixer. This will make your makeup transfer proof, waterproof, budge proof, sweat proof, like whatever is on the list. This is that kind of makeup fixer. I'll show you. It's a hard one. It's like your hairspray, but for your face. This is not for daily use, I would say. This is for the days when you want your makeup to be completely budge proof. This is for that, but this is my most favorite option. I don't trust any other makeup fixer more than this one. This is a 10 on 10 for me. Third one is the most hydrating option. It's Milani Make It Last Setting Spray. It's a setting spray, so you can spray this in between your makeup steps and in the end also. It makes your makeup super long lasting and transfer proof, but at the same time hydrate your face really nicely. It's one of my most favorites, and I think this is my third bottle. Yeah, it's so good. So if you're looking for something very hydrating and it should lock your makeup in place too, then get this one. I would give this one a 9 out of 10. Fourth one is this Recode Grip Spray. These two are actually similar. They lock your makeup in place, they make your makeup transfer proof. And this is a dewy setting spray. It gives that glow to your face if you'll apply this in the end. Again, I'm going to give this one a 9 out of 10. So both are 9. This is 10 and this is 8. Last one is this NYX Matte Finish Setting Spray. Okay, this gives you that matte finish, perfect for oily skin people. And this one is used to be my most favorite setting spray. And I think this is one of my first setting spray. Yeah. This makes your makeup super long lasting and transfer proof too. Perfect for my oily skin, sensitive skin. I'm gonna give this one 9 out of 10. So basically you have these 5 options to choose from in affordable setting sprays. This gives that matte finish. This gives that dewy finish. This is something in between. This is a hard makeup fixer. And this is a very fine and perfect for sensitive skin, especially dry sensitive skin, because it gives that soothing kind of finish. But I hope it was helpful. Let me know in the comments what you guys think.